Everyone, it's currently 7:35 in the morning. Don't ask me why I'm up this early, but I am. And something inspired me to do a couple look inside videos. So this one is going to be on my One Direction Collector's Edition magazine. And then the next one will be on the new One Direction book that I got for my birthday. So let's just jump right into this, and pardon my everything. I literally just woke up. And I'm still kind of tired, so I wasn't about to do my makeup. Okay. So that's the magazine. And there's a Zayn tribute in here. I don't know if you can see Liam. I'm just going through and showing the pictures. I'm not gonna show all the articles, because that would take forever. And on this picture of Zayn, there are some heads missing, and that's because I cut them out to decorate my MP3 player, which I will show you just so I'm not, like, sounding all stupid. So, I cut those out of the magazine and stuck them on my MP3 player. Yes, I do still have an MP3 player. I just needed some new decorations since Zayn had left the band, and the ones I had on were really old. So yeah. So that's the picture they were in. I like those wax figures. And oomph. This. Oh, I just realized Lily and Harry are right next to each other. I did not even see that. And again. I like that picture. That's my favorite picture in here of him. He just looks so good. And I have a poster up similar to that. Not exactly. And sorry I'm being kind of quiet. I haven't had my morning coffee yet, so I'm a little cranky. That one's so cute. And that's Liam with his best friend, Andy. It was a long time ago. And that is the picture that I have on my black shirt. I love it so much. Boo Bear! And that's currently my phone background. It looks really good. That's Liam over there. I wanted to get a shirt with this picture on it, but I couldn't find one, so... Oh well. Maybe next time. I love these outfits on them. They look so good. Especially on the back. They look so much better. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna try my best to be quiet now. It's just an ad. I love that quote. Oh, and I was freaking out the other day because, as everyone knows, it was the 6th-year anniversary of One Direction. And all of them tweeted, or did a video or something. And they were all saying, you know, thank you for everything you've done so far. So it was a reassurance that even though Liam was doing his solo career, the band isn't breaking up, thank God. So that definitely helped a lot. Ugh. Skipping past that. What is up with all the Larry in here? My goodness. Jeez. And our old friend. I'm not saying anything one way or the other about them personally, but that picture earlier reminded me. It's amazing how quickly Zeri fell apart after he left One Direction. And I like this picture because they edited, or I don't like it, but they edited Zayn out and it looks like he was never there. Like, I have this same poster over there. You can't really see it. And Zayn is there. He's like the far left. But this one, they edited him out, and it looks like he was never there at all. I don't know how they did that. But it's cool. And that is an epic shot. Okay, and then you saw the back. Okay, I will be back with the inside look on my one and only book. See you later. Love, like, and subscribe.